Well, this has been a tricky conversion. The customer wanted the clock converting to quartz, and also they wanted it to have the Westminster chimes. The problem was, obviously, this movement is attached to the back of the case, and the dial would have filled that space. So the door was just a glass door, and it would close onto the dial. I had the option of either constructing a internal tower, a 3D printed internal tower to put the movement and the dial on, but the alternative was to actually mount it on the inside of the door. So I've 3D printed some holders which have got a high-tack adhesive pad there, and then they're screwed into the frame. So for battery change and time change, simply just open the door. Probably easy if you take it off the wall. But there we go, job done. So again, original hands reworked to fit the new movement, fake winders to keep the clock looking original, and from the outside, when that's hanging on the wall, it's a lovely clock. Thank you. If you've got anything similar you want converting, then please get in touch. I'll be pleased to help. Thank you.